Hi, I'm Tim. I am one of the co-directors of Transplants Melbourne, and we've been working with OMD for about 12 months. And when we first met OMD, it was we were in quite a challenged position, and we really needed some help. We've got a great website. We've got some really good SEO boost. We've also been kicking goals with getting leads and converting leads as well. So big thanks to OMD for all that they've done. The challenging part with this is it's a long road and you've just got to trust the process. These things don't happen overnight. And luckily we chose OMD, which were the right partner. Yeah, thanks to Ewan and Michael and all the team at OMD.
What sort of differences in terms of results when we start and now it is now compared to where we started and how it is now?
So before we met OMD, we had a poor performing website.
Yeah.
Our SEO wasn't really ranking that well. And we had a bit of a flimsy Google and Meta ads approach, which wasn't really helping us get leads. After we met OMD and with their guidance, we had a new website and we had really strong SEO, and it's still climbing. We're now starting to see the hockey stick now, so it does take a bit of time and investment. But Michael and Ewan have been very patient with us. We've definitely increased our leads dramatically, now starting to see them convert more and more, and we're getting more business through Hair Transplants Melbourne.
So how far in advance are you getting booking now, compared to before, around this time of the year?
So in terms of our bookings, we were probably averaging about a month in advance, but now we're starting to move into the 2-3 month in advance territory, which is a huge win for us and gives us certainty about the future. And as any business owner would know, sometimes it's a roller coaster of emotions through that whole period. Sometimes you get peaks, sometimes you get troughs. So knowing that we've got at least 2 to 3 months in advance, it gives us that sense of security and confidence.